In this guide, I'll show you how to turn on and set up Siri on iPhone or iPad on iOS 17. So, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. Then, what you want to do is scroll down on this page until you see Siri and search, and you want to tap on it. Then, you want to toggle on press side button for Siri, and I'm going to go to enable Siri at the bottom. And then, where it says listen for at the top, it'll say off. So, we're going to tap on that section, and from here, you can select Hey Siri or Hey Siri. I'm going to select this option and it's going to ask us to set it up. So I'm going to press continue at the bottom. Then it's going to ask us to say these phrases. Siri, how's the weather? You'll get a check mark. Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. So once you've finished following these instructions, it'll say Siri is now ready, and you can just press done at the bottom. So if I go back to the home screen and say, Hey Siri, you'll notice it at the bottom here, and you can use it as needed. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.